equal, what is the sector? Arc length equal sector is 45 degrees over 360 into 25R. Then you can write here. How many 45s for 360? There are 8. 1 over 8. Now substitute the value. 1 over 8 into 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is 14 centimeter. Then you can write here, divide this by 7 to 8, how many? 4. Again divide by 2, 2, how many here? 11. 2 divide by 2, 1. How much here? 11 centimeter. Arc length is 11 centimeter. Second one. Second question. Find the arc length here in this one. No, arc length has given and you have to find the angle of the sector. I just put the angle of sector as theta. Right? 9 centimeter.
Teacher.
Yes?
මට 44 centimeters කියලා.
Huh? What is that?
මට ආවෙන්නේ 44 centimeters කියලා.
Megata? 45. This is 360. Angle of a full circle is 25R. 45, how many 45s? 1. How many 45s are here? 8. 1 over 8 into 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is 14. Now divide how many 2's here? 4. How many 2's? 1. How many 2's? 2. How many 2's here? 11. How many 2's here? 1. How many 2's here? 7. 7 to 7 simplify. I think remaining 11. Arc length is 11.
Teacher.
Yes?
Teacher, can you use the blackboard?
Yeah, I will use from next one. Right. Here then 9 centimeter. Then we can write here arc length equals theta. Arc length has given here. Length equal 11 centimeter. Then we have to find the angle. Find the angle at the sector. So what you have to do? Arc length 11 in theta over 360 into 25R equals 11 centimeter. Now simplify this one. I don't have space. So first write down this sum. I will just do it next space, right? First write down this. Okay, write down this.
Teacher.
Yes. Finish.
Teacher, why did you write that one in 2 times?
Because Devon can't understand, that's why. I explain him again.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Here, second sum. Then they have given the sector, angle of the sector. That is theta, 9 centimeter. Angle of the sector is 9 centimeter. Then we have to find the arc length has given. Arc length is 11 centimeter. Find the angle at the sector. Angle at the sector. So you can write theta over 360 into 2 phi r equals 11 centimeter. Then we can write theta over 360 into 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is 9 equals 11. So we have to find theta here, angle. So theta, I just simplify how many 9s here? 1. How many 9s here? 4, 0. How many 2s here? 1. How many 2s here? 20. How many 2s here? 2. How many 2s here? 11. Then 70. And this is 11, right? Then theta over 10 into 11 over 7 remaining. After simplify, my simplification understood this one? Sandali understood it?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, then I think some children can't understand, so I will show it again. Like this, ne? I just use another color to this one. Here, theta 360 into 2 into 22 over 7 into radius 9 equals 11. Now simplify. How many 9s are here? 40. Then how many 2s are here? 20. How many 2s here? 11. How many 2s here? 10. Like this. Then theta over 10 into 11 over 7 equals 11. So I just keep the theta over 10 here and I will borrow 11 over 7 to other side. 11 into, reciprocal we are right, ne? Equal sign again when it is going to other side, 7 over 11. You can see over the line 11, below the line 11. Now remaining theta over 10.
Yeah.
Opute.
Teacher, ඒ කොහමද ආවේ teacher 7 reciprocal උනේ කොහොමද teacher?
අනේ
11
මේක මේ බලන්න multiplication එකක් equal sign එකෙන් මේ පැත්තට යනවා. මේ multiplication මේ division එක multiplication වෙනවා. මේ multiplication එක. ඒ කියන්නේ over the line එකේ තියෙන්නේ මෙයා division වෙනවා. උඩයට මාරු වෙනවනේ equal sign එකෙන් අනිත් පැත්තට යද්දී. අපි මේක කරේ 8 ඉද්දී. තේරෙනවද? මේක මේ පැත්තට යද්දී උඩයට මාරු වෙනවා. 7 over 11 වෙනවා. තේරුණාද? හරි? මේ උඩයට මාරු කරා 7 over 11. එතකොට over the line 11, below the line 11. Cut this one. Then just theta equal 7 into 10. How much? Theta equals 70. One angle has found here 70. Kavisha, do you have doubt here?
No, teacher.
No, hurry. Okay, write down this.
Teacher,
Yes.
we should discuss the homework, right, teacher?
Discuss the, yeah, homework I didn't discuss it. I just
Okay.
doing this thing and later I am going to discuss the homework.
Okay.
Finish writing this. Finish, right? Now we are going to do the homework.
Teacher, wait. Teacher.
Finish.
No, teacher. Finish, teacher.
Right. Right. Next one. Exercise 1.1. I gave you for the homework. Right. I am going to discuss with you. Find the arc length of each of the sectors given below. Sector like this. This is 28. 28 centimeter. So we have to find the arc length. Only they are asking us to find each of the sectors given by the arc length only, right? Find the arc length. So you can find the arc length here. This is a semicircle now, so you can write half into 2 pi r. Half into 2 into 22 over 7 into radius. Radius is how much? 28 divided by 2. Right? That is 14. 14 centimeter. Then simplify. How many 7s for 14? 2. 2 times 2, 22, 44 centimeter. Arc length is 44 centimeter. Second one. A sector like this. In this sector, this is 7 centimeter and arc length. This is a 1/4 of a sector now. 1/4 into 2 pi r. 1/4 into 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is 7. 11. Arc length is how much? 11 centimeter. Is that correct?
Yes, teacher.
I will go to the next question then. We are doing third one. Third one. A sector like this. This is 21 centimeter. This is 120. Then you have to get the arc length. So it is easy for you. 120 degrees over 360 into 2 pi r. 120 over 360 into 2 into 22 over 7 into radius 21 centimeter. Then simplify how many 121? How many 123? 1/3 into, just straightly I simplify this 7 and this 21, 3, right? Then you can write 2 into 22 into 3. Simplify 3 here and here also 3. 2 times 22, 44 centimeter. Can you understand this? කවුරු හරි තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් you can ask again පුතේ. Third one. Shall I clear this now? Our fourth group then. Fourth one. (36 degrees a sector). And this is 3.5 centimeter. We want to find this arc length. Then arc length equals, the angle is 36 degrees over 360 into 25R. Then you can see how many 36's? 1. For 360, 10. 1 over 10 into 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is 3.5. Then for 7, how many 3.5? Here 1, 3.5, 3.5 and 3.5, 7. There are 2 here. Then 10, how many 2's are here? 5. Here 1. Now 22 divided by 2, 11. So you can write 11 divided by 5 centimeter is the arc length of this sector. You know how to divide this 11 by 5 ne? සමහර කට්ටිය ඒක දන්නේ නැහැ. Then mentally අපිට දාන්න පුළුවන් how many 5s are there for 11? 2. 1 remainder 5. If you can't straightly write. So 11 right here. Then how many 5s? 2 for 11. 2 times 5, 10. 1 remainder. Then answer middle, remainder top, divide and bottom. Write the answer like this. Finish පුතේ? Hello? Hello, Yehini. Yehini, I put the mail link to WhatsApp group, right? But for your WhatsApp number, just check it. You haven't checked it, that now we already started. I think you haven't checked it, that's why. Okay? Okay. Here, next one. Like this, you have to find the arc length. 35 centimeter. This is 240. So you have to find the arc length. Is that hard for you guys, Shan? Anymore? It is not hard. Nah, hard. It is easy. 240. Whole angle is 360. Arc is mean you have to find this arc. Then into how much? 25. Then just substitute the value. 240 over 360. 2 into 22 over 7 into 35. Now simplify. First 35, how many 7s are there? 5. Okay. Then we can check here how many 12s? 2. How many 12s here? 3. Then now you can't divide this by 3. This is all not divisible. So just keep the 3 here. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 22, 88. 88 into 5. 5 times 8, 44 remainder. 5 times 8, 40 and 4, 44. Then 440 over 3 centimeter. Now divide it by 3 and put the answer for 4. How many 3s are here? 1. 14, 4. Then to remain in a 26. Again remaining 26. 6 recurring. 146.66 centimeter. Not square centimeter, centimeter, right? Centimeter. Right. Next question. Question number 6. Right. This is question number 5. And we are going to do the question number 6. Right. Question number 6. Shall I do it here? Shall I clear this question?
Okay, madam.
Okay, I think all of you have done it for the homework, right? Next question. 6th one. Then this is a circle like this. We have to find the arc length of this like this. Radius is 10.5 centimeter and this is 60. ඔන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඇඳ ගන්න තැන. හරි, this is 60. This is 10.5. Arc length. So how can you find the Gaishan? 60 over 360 දානවනේ. මම නම් එහෙම කරන්නේ ඔයාලා නම් එහෙමනේ කරන්නේ 60 over 360 into 2pi යන්නේ නෑ. We want to find this angle. 360 minus 60. මේ ටිකනේ හොයන්න තියෙන්නේ, මේ ටික නෙමෙයිනේ. Then 300. Right. Then 300 over, I just write the arc length. Arc length equals 300 over 360 into 2pi r. Then you can write here 300 over 360 into 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is how much here? 10.5 centimeter. For 7, how many 3.5s are there? 2. For 10.5, how many are there? 3. Then now simplify here. Over the line 0, below the line 0. How many sixes here? 5. How many sixes are here? 6 here. Then any more simplify? Yes. How many trees here? 1. How many trees here below the line? 2. How many 2s below the line? 1. Here 1. 5 times 22. Make a this one also can simplify. How many 2s are there for 22? 11. 11 times 5. 55 centimeter. Arc length is 55 centimeter. Kavisha, can you understand this?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Right. Now we already came to know and we understood how to find the arc length. So these sums are not problems for I think all of you anymore. All of you can do. I'm image කරන්නේ මම දැන් මේ group එකටම මේ ගණන් ටික හොඳට පුළුවන් හදන්න පුළුවන් කියන imagination එකෙන් just I am going to the next step. I am going to find the perimeter. Right? Perimeter හොයන්නයි යන්නේ. Hari, now my all the children are good. ඔකටම පුළුවන් කියලා හිතාගෙන ඉන්නේ. We have done lot of sums නේ. Arc length වෙනව ගොඩාක් අපි හැදුවා. Hari, then I know that all of you can do it very well. Those who can't do, you can go to the video and again you can repeat the work. Yes?
Then the 300 with 360 කැපුණා teacher 5 with 6 වෙන්න.
Oh.
ඊට පස්සේ ඒක 6 with 2 කැපෙනකොට මෙතන
Hmm?
මේ 6 මෙතන 6 තියෙනවා teacher. ඒක කැපුණාම තියෙන්නේ නේ teacher.
Huh?
ඔහොම දාලා times 2 නේ. times 2 නේ.
Oh.
So උඩ 300 වල 5 360 වලට 6 ඊට පස්සේ 2 වලින් කැපුණා පස්සේ 2 නෙමෙයි 3 නේ teacher නේ මෙතනද.
කොතැනද? අය බලන්නකො මේක හොඳට. හරි? 10.5. How many 3.5? මේ බලන්න 3.5 3.5 7 another 3.5 10.5. How many 3.5s are here? 2. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ 3. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්නකෝ. ඊට පස්සේ මෙතන බලන්න over the line 0 below the line 0. හරි? I use the yellow color. Here
මෙතන
how
2
many
නේ තියෙන්නේ.
ඈ?
at the 3.5 3.5 දෙකක් නේ.
ඔව් ඉතින් හරි දෙකයි. ඉතින් දෙක දැම්මා. මෙතන 3.5 3.5 3.5 තුනක්. තුන දැම්මා.
හා ඊට පස්සේ
ඊට පස්සේ දැන් මේ කපන over the line 0 below the line 0. මෙතන how many sixes are here? 5. How many
5.
sixes are here? 6. හරි?
එතකොට 2
මෙතන මේ over the line මේ 3 තියෙන්නේ 1යි. below the line එතකොට 3 ඒවා 2යි. එතන මෙතන over the line 2 ඒවා 1යි. simplify කරා. So මෙන්න මේ 2 and 22 divisible නේ. 1 2 here 11. 11 times 5 55. Now understood?
yes teacher. අම්බැලුවා අතන times 2 දී එතනින් කැපෙන්නේ නැද්ද කියලා මම බැලුවේ.
නෑ නෑ. හිම බෑනේ. හරි? All of you it is clear?
yes teacher.
I think it is little bit complex those who join the class today. But when we are doing the perimeter, again we are going to find the arc length of sector. No, that time you will be able to find. Hari, you will be learn this part. Finding the perimeter of a sector of a circle. First write down this one. Those who haven't done this sum, our lesson is perimeter, unit 1. Shall I clear this now? No, clear karna. Right. Next question. Finding the perimeter of a sector of a circle. Finding the perimeter. Of a sector of a circle.
Teacher, that is homework on your topic.
පුතේ topic පුතේ topic එකක් අපි අද කරන්නේ මේක එදා මම චුට්ටක් කරා එකපාරටම finding the perimeter of a sector of a circle. පස්සේ මට තේරුණා මේ එකපාරටම perimeter හොයලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ මේගොල්ලන්ට. ඉස්සරවම sector එක කියලා දෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා then I just start to find the sector. පොඩ්ඩක් එදා කරා. හරි එවනම් දැන් ඔන්න මොකුත් දන්නේ නැහැ කියලා හිතාගෙන just we are going to find the perimeter of a sector, right? Right. We'll find then now this is the sector. Perimeter is mean we can define like this name. Finding the boundary of a figure. This side, this arc, this side. So this is a sector. Sector is a figure which bounded by two radiuses and the arc. This is a sector. So this sector ke me boundary ka hoyana එක තමයි perimeter hoyනවා කියන්නේ. So two radii included and the arc also included here. Right? This is the arc length. We have done it earlier. Hari? This is arc length. And this is radius, R, and this is also radius. So perimeter equal any sector. Arc length plus radius plus radius. Two radius are there. This radius plus this radius. Right. Then we can write perimeter equals arc length. You know how to find here. Arc length sector sector. This is I just mentioned as the theta. Right? Angle එක මම දෙන්නේ නැහැ theta කියලා දානවා. Theta over. Okay අන්න මොකද ප්‍රශ්නේ?
Shall we write this?
Yes පුතේ ලියා ගන්න වලින් තේරුම් ගන්න. මේ full circle is 360. Then we have find the arc length several times into 25 R. ඔන්න arc length එක හොයලා ඒකට add කරනවා radius 2 radius ආදයනේ 2 R 2 radii. එනම් perimeter equal theta over 360 into 25 R plus 2 R. Okay, now write down this. මේක ලියලා ලස්සනට square කරගන්න. අපි දැන් ඊට පස්සේ එකකින් ගණන් හදන්න යන්නේ. ලියා ගන්න. Puti, I think today also I had to leave the meeting around 2 o'clock and again 2:05 I am going to start because why me චුට්ටක් අර අපි රෙකෝඩින් එකත් කරන නිසා මේ අර ලියනකොට පොඩ්ඩක් අමාරුයි ලියන්න පැයක් විතර එක දිගට යනකොට so like 2 o'clock again disconnect and again connect, right? මට meeting එක off කරලා ආයෙ පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට ආයෙ again we have no problem. මොකද pen එක jump කරන්න පටන් ගන්නවා ලියනකොට. Because 2 hours recording නේ, that's why. Find the perimeter of the following sector. I will erase this now. I am going to erase. Perimeter. following sectors. This is I write as 45 degrees. This is 7 centimeter. Perimeter equals arc length plus radius nether 2r. 2 radiuses are there. So arc length, you know how to find. This angle is 45 degrees over whole angle 360 into 2 into 22 over 7 25 22 over 7 into
අපි උඩත් දාන්න ඕනේ නේද? perimeter equals arc length plus මේ 2πr කියලා.
yeah 2r පුතේ 25 නෙමෙයි හරි
ඇයිද ටීචර්?
arc length කියන්නේ ඉතින් මේ 45 over 25r නේ.
ඔව් ටීචර් ඒවා ටීචර් අටින් දාලා තියෙන්නේ මේ 2 times 2 22 over 7 කියලා.
ඉතින් හරිනේ ඉතින් 25r නේ
22 over 7 කියන්නේ 5 කියන්නේ 22
ඔව්
over
ඉතින්
7
හරි ඒකනේ මේ ලියලා තියෙන්නේ.
උඩට එන්න ඕනේ ටීචර්. උඩට එන්න ඕනේ arc length plus මේ 2πr කියලා.
ඉතින් මේ දාලා තියෙන්නේ ඒකනේ. මේ 2πr කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? 2 into 5 කියන්නේ 22 over 7. Radius is 7. මොකද්ද ප්‍රශ්නේ දැන්?
නෝඩිද මම කියන්නේ perimeter equals arc length plus 2πr
2πr කියන්නේ කියන්නකෝ arc length කියන්නේ මේක මේ කෑල්ල 2r කියන්නේ this radius and this radius මට පේන්නේ ඒකත් පටලගෙනද කොහෙද
හරි ටීචර්
තේරුණාද arc length එක තමයි 45 කියන්නේ මේ angle එක this whole thing is 360 into 2 into 22 5 කියන්නේ 22 over 7 නේ radius is 7 plus මේ radius එකයි මේකයි add වෙනවනේ so that's why I have mentioned 2r here දැන් ඔයාලට ඒකත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ ඉස්සරවම arc length හොයලා ඒකට මෙන්න මේ radius දෙක add කරන්න. එතකොට හරි නැත්තම් ගාන මට තේරෙනවා දෙවෝන් වරද්ද ගන්නවා ගානත් එක්ක. හරි? දැන් එහෙම බැරි නම් මෙන්න මේම හදන්නකෝ. just I will do it. නැත්තම් මේ ඔක්කොම පටලගෙන වැරදි උත්තරයක් ගනී. තව 2πr එකකුත් අතෙන්නත් දායි. හරි? දැන් එහෙම ඕනේ නැහැ. මම දැන් ඔයාලා මේ තව ටිකක් ඇඩ්වාන්ස් වුණාට පස්සේ මේ විදිහට හදන්න. don't do like this. දැන් මම හිතුවා ටිකක් ඇඩ්වාන්ස් වෙලා ඇති කියලා තාම නැහැ. හරි? arc length එක. first හොයන්නකෝ arc length. එහෙම හදන්න එපා. arc length equal කොහමද? 45 over 360 into 2πr නේ. දැන් 2r එකක් ගන්න එපා ඈ. අපි හොයන්නේ arc length එක. ඊට පස්සේ මේ 45 over 360 into 2 into 5 is mean 22 over 7. Radius is 7. Simplify. Then how many 45s here? 1. How many 45s here? 8. 4 here. How many 2s? 1. How many 2s here? 4. 4. How many 2s here? 2. Here 22. 11. So ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ මොනවද? 11 divide by 2 නේ. නේද? ඒ කියන්නේ 11 දෙකෙන් බෙදපුවම 5.5 cm කියලාම දාගන්නම් මම. 5.5. Then you have to find the perimeter. කෑලි දෙකට හොයන්නකෝ. දැන් ඔයාලට පස්සේ හොයමු අර විදිහට 5.5 ඔන්න arc length එක හොයාගත්තා. ඒකට add කරනවා radius 7 plus 7 මේ කෑල්ලත් එකතු. මේ කෑල්ල this part all together perimeter 7 plus 7 centimeter. Then 14 and 5.5. 14 5.5 කීයද? 19.5 centimeter. දෙවොන් දැන් තේරුණාද?
Okay teacher.
Teacher,
ඔව් පුතේ. Tell me.
do and show that earlier method one.
ඔව් මම ඒක කරන්න යන්නේ. දැන් ඔයාලා මේක හදන්නකො මම ඊළඟ එක මේ කියන්නම්. මොකද එතකොට ඉඩ යන්නේ නැහැ. අනිත් එක මේ වගේ දිගට හදන්න චූටි ළමයි නෙමෙයිනේ. මේ ඒකින්ද ඔයගොල්ලෝ අර earlier method එකට හදන්න. I will show it after finish this. මේක ලියා ගන්න කොටක් ගාලා. යටින් අපි earlier method එකටත් හදමු. Shall I clear this? මෙන්න මේ ටික ක්ලියර් කරලා හදන්න අනිත් මෙතඩ් එක. දැන් පුතේ perimeter is mean. දැන් එක දෙයක් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හොඳට තේරෙනවානේ. arc length එකයි 2r add කරන්න ඕනනේ. This is a sector. Perimeter equal arc length plus 2r. මම arc length කියලා ලිව්වේ මොකද්ද? 45 over එක අපි හදලා දන්නවනේ නේද? ගණන් 20ක් විතර හැදුවනේ. 360 into 25r plus 2r. So you can write here 45 over 360 into 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is 7 plus 2r 2 into 7. How many here? 1, 8. Let's just use another color. How many 2's? 4. How many 2's? 1. How many 2's? 2. How many 2's? 11. How many 7? 1. Here 7. 11 divided by 2 plus 2 times 7, 14. 11 divided by 2 can 5, 4 in 5 plus 14 in centimeter දාගන්න. Then 19, 4 in 5 centimeter. Which method is easy for you? 50. What about the Sandali? Which method is easy?
This method is
එහෙනම් මෙහෙම හදන්න. Yeheni, can you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeheni, we start the lesson last Saturday, I think. So that's why we have done little part. We have found the arc length. So now only we are doing exercise 1.2. So I think you will be able to understand that part, right?
Yeah, ma'am. I will.
Okay, we'll do the next one.
Wait, teacher.
You haven't done it?
Yes, teacher.
I think finished, right?
Yes, teacher.
Second question. Second sector. A semicircle. You have to find the perimeter of this figure also. Here has given the diameter here to here. මෙම ඔයාලට පැටලෙන්නේ නැත්නම් you can find the arc length here. Perimeter equals මෙතන half නේ. Arc length when another formula is there when we are knowing the diameter. What is that formula? මතකද circumference when another formula දෙකක් තියෙනවානේ 2 phi r. When you know the radius, we can use this one. Other circumference one is like what is this? Phi d. Then half into you can use the phi d here, right? Plus radi දෙකක් add කරන්න ඕනේ. Only diameter enough. Here to here length is 14. කාට හරි පැටලෙනවද? Gaishan, can you understand?
Yes, what?
All right. එහෙනම් එහෙම අදමුකෝ. 22 over 7 into diameter 14 plus 14. 2. 22 plus 14. 36 centimeter. අනිත් විදියට මම හදලා පෙන්නනවා by using another color, right? Just do this sum. I will use another color. Other way I will do here. Perimeter equals half into 2 phi r plus 2r. මේක use කරලා හදනවා. හරි? Now 22 over 7 into radius 7 plus 2r 2 into radius have to find here. 14 divided by 2 ne 7. 22 plus 14 then also 22 plus 14 36 centimeter. Okay. Any method you like, you can follow for this. Next one, third one, perimeter had to find, right? Find the perimeter. This one. 21 centimeter. Sector is 60. Find the perimeter. Find the perimeter. So, arc length perimeter equal arc length. කවුරු හරි confusing නම් පුතේ දෙක වෙන වෙනම හොයන්න. Plus r නේ, this is also r. 2r. Arc length is 6. Sect එක ලියා ගන්න. 60 නේ angle එක 60 over 360 into 12 25r 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is 21 plus 2 into 21. Simplify. How many sixes? 1. How many sixes? 6. 1 over 6. 1 over 6 into here 3. Right? Then we can write how many 2's here? 1. How many 2's here? 3. Then this 3 and this 3 also you can simplify. So no 1 6 anymore here. I will clear this. Then you can write here remaining 22, right? 22 plus 2 into 21, 42 centimeter. You can write the answer 22 and 42 for 64 centimeter. Right. Unless sector එක අපිට මෙතන 40 21 21 42 arc length is 22, altogether 64 centimeter. Fourth question. Sandali, can you understand this?
Yes, teacher.
දැන් ඔන්න 10 එක හොඳට කරගෙන යන්න. 9 එකත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලස්සනට කරගෙන ආව මට තේරුණා. ඒ වගේ 10 එකත් කරගෙන යන්න. ගොඩක් වෙලාවට February first week we will be able to start the class at the institute. මේ කියන්න බෑ ඉතින් මොන වගේ situation එකක් එයිද කියලා. I plan to start February month there. $207 centimeter. Right. Then you can write here perimeter plus arc length plus 2r. Then we can write 2 into 22 over 7 into radius 7. ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන I haven't put the angle of the sector නේ. The angle එක 200 over 360. I think I don't have enough space. I will erase this one and do it here. I don't like to do like this. Right? It is unclear for you also. I will clear. Shall I clear this earlier one? Right. This one. This one 200 this angle. Radius 7 centimeter. R. So perimeter equals 200 over 360 into 25R. Then plus 2r. Arc length plus radius, 2 radiuses. Simplify over the line, below the line. How many pores are here? 5. How many pores are here? 9. 5 over 9 into 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is 7 plus 2 into 14. Simplify this 7 to this 7. And anymore it is not simplified. So 5 into 2 into 22, 44. Over 9 plus Mithana's radius is how much? 7. I just put the answer here. That is wrong. Neither. Radius is 7. 7. Then we had to put here 7. 14. 5 into 44. I just plus 44 divided by 9. Ne? 45 there are 5. Ne? Then I'm 4 in. Remaining here 8. Ne? 44 letter 32. 8 remainder. 8. 80 how many 9s are there? 9. 72. Ne? Again 9. Triggering 4.99. Then multiply by 5. 5 times 9. 45. 4 remainder. 5 times 9. 45 and 4. 49. 4 remainder. 5 times 4. 20 and 4. 24. 24.95 plus 14 centimeter. Then answer is coming 36.95 centimeter. Perimeter. Hi, අපි exercise 1.2 කරමු බලන්න. Before doing that thing, we have to do a little bit complex one. We have done simple. We are going to find the angle at the sector. Right? Before that, we will do this sum also. All of you finished doing this sum? මේ කරලා ඉවරද? Going to clear? If not, tell me. Right. Find the perimeter. A figure like this. In this sector, this is 120. This is 21 centimeter. Then we can write perimeter. කාට හරි එකපාරටම බැරි නම් පුතේ ඉස්සරවම arc length එක හොයලා ඊට පස්සේ හොයන්න equal arc length. Two R. 2 into radius is 21. Now simplify me. How many 12s are here? 1. How many 12s are here? 3. 21. How many 3s are here? 7. Over the line 7. Below the line 7. Now only remaining here 44 plus 2 into 21. 42 centimeter. Then you can write 2 and 4, 6, 86 centimeter is the perimeter here. Shall I clear this now? Now we'll see how to find the angle at a sector, right? Right. The perimeter of a sector which is 2/3. Which is 2/3 of a circle is. Find its radius. Radius 1. So how can we find 2/3 of a circle? The perimeter has given. Then assume that perimeter 2/3 of a circle is 260. Right? Then we can write, assume that the radius is r centimeter. Right? We can take radius r centimeter. එහෙනම් මොකද කරන්නේ? arc length කියන්නේ මෙතන 2/3 of the sector නේ. 2/3. මෙතන sector එකේ angle එක 2/3 කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. 2/3 into 2πr. 2 into 22 over 7 into radius. Right. Then here 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 22, 88. 88 r over 3 times 7, 21. This is the arc length of this one, right? Then perimeter of the sector has given. Me?
Teacher,
Oh, Pute.
teacher, why we are not putting that plus 2r?
අපි හොයන්නේ arc length විතරනේ.
If finding on the perimeter only, we should put that one, no?
Yes, arc length. Only that sector into 2πr. Sector එකේ angle එක 2πr වලින් වැඩි කරන එක තමයි arc length කියන්නේ. perimeter වැඩි තමයි 2r add කරන්නේ. හරි? Then perimeter of the sector we can get like this නේ. Perimeter දීලා තියෙනවා මේ. now මේ මගේ ලියවෙන්නේ නැහැ මේක මේ මොකද load එක වැඩි වෙලා disconnect වුණා නම් හරි. after this one we'll disconnect and again connect. Okay? Perimeter. Perimeter equal how much? මෙන්න මේ arc length එක 88 r over 21. ඒකට මොකක්ද add වෙන්න ඕනේ කියන්නේ? 2 radius 2r add වෙන්න ඕනනේ. දැන් තේරුණාද ඒක? මේක තේරුණාද කියන්නකෝ? දැන් මේ sector එකේ r දීලා නැහැ. හැබැයි ඉතින් you can find the perimeter by using this one නේ. So we can write like this. Then now we can write the expression like this. 88r over 21 plus 2r. This one equal how much here? 260. Why? They have given the perimeter, right? Perimeter. So here we can solve this one. So how can we solve this? this whole expression, this 21 or whole expression, I will multiply it by 21 to remove the 21. මේ අයින් කරගන්න. මේ ඔක්කොම just multiplied by 21. This is by
Under this one, no?
huh?
We
What?
should write it under perimeter, no?
Yes. 21. So we can remove this to this day. Then expression come in 88r plus 21 into 2r 42r equals 260 into 21. Because if you multiply all expression, you have to multiply it by 21. So this to add for 88r and 42r, how much here? 130r equals 260 into 21. මම මේක simplify කරන්න මේම තිබ්බම lazy simplify කරන්න. The radius now we have to find 260 into 21. Then now don't ask how why I take this 130 down කියලා. මොකද in between multiplication නේ. When you are taking to this right hand side of the equation sign, it's become division 130. Okay. 26, how many 13s are there? 2. 2 then. How many 130 is for 260? 2 easily we can simplify. ඉතින් multiply කරන්න නැතුව තිබ්බන්නේ ඒ නිසා. It is easy then. 2 times 21, 42 centimeter. මේක තේරුම් නැත්නම් මම ආයෙ සැරයක් explain කරන්න. Can you understand this? Okay. But then now, this, wait. Write down this.